Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I'm back again. I know it's been a while, but I've been a little bit busy and a bit lazy as well to pick up the camera and do some of these recordings. Life happens, busy, work, life, and everything in between. But I was like, it's the holidays. This is my favorite time of the year, and let me just go ahead and share some of the products that I was able to purchase for Black Friday. And some of these products um, are being shipped and I don't have them yet. So as soon as I get them, I will be sure to share them with you. And the what I have to share with you today is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I've been debating about getting a vlogging camera because I've been doing this YouTube videos, but I want to do more. I just don't want to do the unboxing videos. I want to be able to go out with you guys, and whenever I go on all the shopping trips, I want to be able to take you guys along so you guys can see it. I recently went to Miami this past weekend. Unfortunately, my phone battery died on me, and I was not able to record any of the vlog, any of the shopping that I did, which I really wanted to do. But at that time, I had not yet received my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this Pocket 3, I know you guys have seen it everywhere, all over YouTube, all over social media. What really made me to get it was the fact that it was actually on sale on Sam's Club's website. I noticed Sam's Club had it for $100 off. Also, Costco had it for, I think, $100 off. What I ended up getting is I did not get the creator combo because I knew I wasn't going to use everything that came with it. Even though it did come with its own microphone, I noticed that DJI has this really nice smaller size version microphone on their website sold separately. So I was like, I think I prefer the smaller version better than the one that came with the Pocket 3 creator combo. So another reason why I also purchased the one from Sam's Club is the fact that it was $100 off. I spoke with my husband about it. It was like, yeah, go ahead and get this. I mean, I think it'll be better for you because he's always encouraging me to go out and do more with my vlogging and he knows I'm a little bit shy, and I think this is exactly what I need. It's very discreet. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hands, and I like the fact that it is so sleek that you will hardly know. If you don't know about it, you hardly know to log in camera. So Sam's Club, they actually have their own bundle, and included in the bundle is the battery handle, and it actually comes with a 128 gigabytes micro SD card with adapter. So I think this is also a good deal because you also get in the battery handle that comes with it. Not only with the battery handle, it actually comes with its own handle as well. And the battery handle came packed separately, and I also purchased the Osmo mini tripod from the DJI website. Actually, this mini tripod comes with the creator bundle, and on their website this was just like $16. So I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna need this. So I went ahead to pick that up, and along with the microphone I was talking to you guys about earlier. This is the DJI Mic Mini, and this is the one in the white version. It's so sleek and discreet, and yeah, I'm so excited about this. So let's get it open. So I've already opened it, and but I did not use it. I just wanted to see how it feels and everything. Guys, I cannot wait to um, go ahead and start using this vlogging camera. So it comes in this pack, and then in the pack is the actual box of the camera. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the camera. It comes nicely packaged. And this is like the protector case, which is pretty good. But I think I'm gonna purchase an actual bag that I can carry this in. Now, if you do buy the Creator combo, it actually comes with its own soft shell case. So yeah, so this is the camera. Remove it like so, and let's see how this goes. This is the, how do you turn it on? So I guess that's how you turn it on. Then it comes with this screen protector thing. Take it off. And I haven't set it up yet, guys, as you can see. I was just trying to do the unboxing for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and set this off camera and play with it. I'm really not tech savvy, and I'm hoping that this camera is going to be very user friendly for someone like me who isn't really tech savvy. So let's put this back, and yeah, I'll turn it back off and put it in the case. Let's turn it off. Okay, it's off. So let's go ahead and see what else comes with this Sam's Club bundle deal. So in here I have, what do I have in here? I guess this is the connection piece, the cable, I'm guessing. Oh no, it's not. This is the handle that I was telling you about. So this handle, you can connect to it like so. No, it's the other way around, like that, I guess. So you can hold it up like that. And the battery handle, it's also similar. So once you remove it, you can just connect it like that, which will come in handy. I'm so glad the Sam's Club version came with this battery handle. So that way I'm always ready and I wouldn't have to worry about I'm running out of battery. I have my extra battery. And apparently I did watch some YouTube videos about this Osmo Pocket 3 before I purchased. And a lot of videos that I watched did mention that it actually charges super fast. So that's a good plus about it. So let's go ahead and put this aside. And I guess the cable is, this must be the cable. Yes, the cable. And what else is in here? Oh, this is the little strap that you can hold it, use it with the camera, so you can wear it. You can hold it, like this, and feel more secured. That way, you don't have to worry about dropping the camera. And yeah, that's all that comes in this box. So let's go ahead and put that away. And the battery pack, I don't have to open that up. Another thing that came with the box is the SCD. Let's see, yes. No SCD. Oh my gosh, why did I say SCD? This is the 128 gigabytes micro adapter. This is the what do you call this? I don't know, the memory or whatever, the card for your memory, So I'm happy that I did come with this as well. So the 128, that's a lot. The micro SD, yeah. A funny story. So Sam's Club, I told you they had it $400 off. So apparently it was still showing available on their website, but whenever I added to the cart, I want to check out, it wouldn't let me check out. It would say out of stock. I was like, oh no, this cannot be. So what I did was I had called customer service. I talked to them about it. The lady that I spoke with was so nice. She was like, "Oh, it's showing that it's still available to be shipped to you." I'm like, "Yeah, I know, but anytime I try to put it in my cart, it's telling me it's out of stock." So I now asked, "Are you able to do like a rain check type of thing? Like whenever this becomes available, are you able to honor the $100 off?" And she was so nice. She was like, "I know you've been a Sam's Club customer for so long. I would definitely be glad to help you with that. So whenever it's in stock, just go ahead and make the purchase and give us a call, and we'll do the price adjustment," in which they did. So I was really happy about that. So thank you, Sam's Club, for doing that for me. So the microphone that came with it, I had to order on the DJI website. It did not come with the bundle from Sam's Club. So this is what I ordered from DJI website: the mic mini and the tripod. Let's open that up real quick. I really love this mic. I'm so excited about it. One thing that I really love about this is the fact that it has this magnetic thing that you can attach to the microphone. And once you attach it to the microphone, you don't necessarily have to like clip the microphone on your clothing. It just like yeah, this is the magnetic piece that comes with it. Look at how sleek this is. Look at this, guys. It's so nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. So you can either, it has this clip, as you can see. This is the clip. So you can either put it on like so, yeah, or if you don't want to use the clip, you can just go ahead and do this, and it clips on your shirt. And look at the secure hold. I mean, how cool is that? I'll just leave this on so you guys can see it. But I'm so excited about this whole new vlogging camera. I don't have to use my iPhone. I think it's an iPhone 15 I'm currently using. I don't have to use my iPhone 15 anymore. Well, I'm still going to use it, but not as frequent. I've noticed that the iPhone battery all of a sudden just runs out quickly. Before, the battery used to last me for a while. I didn't have to like charge it, but I guess maybe traveling and being on my phone while traveling. By the time I go to Miami, I was running on very low, on very low juice, and I didn't want to run it dry completely because I needed my phone to be able to call Uber whenever I needed to. So I think that's it regarding this whole DJI, yeah, Osmo Pocket 3. One thing that I also picked up from Amazon is the tripod stand by Eucos. Now, the tripod stand, I had to watch a lot of videos on YouTube as to what would be the best tripod stand. I know I have the mini tripod stand, but that I can really use it because it's it doesn't really extend. So I was able to find this on Amazon. It's by Eucos, and I really love this, guys. So this is the Eucos tripod stand. One good thing about this, oops, this came apart, but I guess I can just put that on later. I guess this is like the Bluetooth device that you can use to like control the stand, like for your phone rather. When your phone or your camera, when you want to turn it on, just push that while your tripod stand and your device is far away. You can just push onto this, so you don't have to like press play and then run back to your seat and start recording. You just have this in hand. How cool is this? So I'm so excited about this whole tripod stand that I got. And yeah, it extends into, it goes as high as, I don't even know how many feet it goes as high, but it goes really high. You don't have to use, you know, you can actually shorten the length if you also want to do that and use this outdoors, not necessarily indoors as well. but I'm not going to be taking this thing outdoors with me. Like I said, I'm not really the type to call so much attention with, whenever I'm vlogging. No, no. So I'm not going to be taking this outdoors. And it comes in different colors. It comes in black. It comes in this white color. And I think another color. I'm not sure exactly which other third color it comes in. So this is the one that I decided to get after watching so many videos on YouTube about the best stand to go with the DJI Pocket 3. So it's pretty cool. This is the, you can put your phone on here and use this to kind of, change the, if you wanted like landscape, I think you turn this, I mean, it goes, I'm not really tech savvy when it comes to this. I haven't really read the whole manual, but it's a pretty cool tripod stand. So guys, if you guys are if you're interested in picking up the DJI Mini Pocket 3, DJI Pocket 3, Osmo Pocket 3, and looking for a good stand, I actually would recommend this one by Eucos to get. So that's it for this review, and I cannot wait to start using this whole setup. And if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I would love to grow. That's the goal. So please subscribe if you love watching content like this. Also subscribe, hit the notification button, share my videos. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my videos. I do appreciate that you're here. And until next time, stay blessed and happy holidays. Bye-bye.